In today's video, we look at how you can save variables and also how we can convert those between arrays and back again so that you're not really limited with this very simple but very cool function. It's quite incredible how much it has improved. Now, this only works in Swift 4.1 and above, so please be aware of that. Right, let's start by getting rid of the usual stuff that's in the middle there. In fact, I'm going to be a bit ruthless today and just get rid of everything and just leave the import Swift UI. And then we're going to start with the variable student list. And that one is going to be your array. It's going to be something you can change. And then we get on to the struct, which is content view, the normal one we use. And this is the special thing at app storage. They've put this in version 4.1. So app storage and then student names is the variable. This needs to be unique. So every time you create one of these, it needs to have a different name. And this is the variable it's going to watch. String equals put names here. So put names here is obviously to encourage you to put your names there. So that's the first step. Now we're going to use the variable, and this is the chosen name because we're making a random picker. But it's a random picker that remembers the names of your students, just like all good teachers. So VStack text chosen name, we put the font, we'll make a nice big large title, and we'll put a bit of padding around it so it's not against the window. And then we can put in a text editor, which is text student names. Don't forget you need the dollar there. And then the border, I've made it mint colored just so it's a little bit obvious what you're doing. And then I've added a little bit of padding again so it's not straight against the edges. Now the next thing is to make our random button, and this is where we put in some extra code. So the first thing I do is I'm going to remove everything from the student list so that we don't keep on adding or anything or causing trouble. And then what we do is we go through the text and we use this separated by function, and we separate it by the new line function. So it's very easy for people to just enter the lines, copy and paste them in, and off they go. We're going to print that list just so you can see it. And then, of course, we're going to allow you to pick from the random list. So that's the thing. Now, one of the concerns you might be having is that, oh, well, strings, I'm not sure a string can handle that. But really don't worry. You can actually hold 4 billion characters in one string. Now, that's a lot of memory, but it shows you're not going to run out of space. So you can use /n for new line or /t for tab, and very easily recreate lists and use this very easy to use saving function. As always, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'd love a sub. See you next time.